one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are moments when the darkness around you feels more obvious than the grace that is inside of you. You see the darkness of the world, the confusion and heaviness of the situations around you, and you can begin to wonder whether your life can make any real difference, whether the light that is inside of you can shine in a way that will bring hope. And the Lord says, I'm not making you into a beacon of your own light. I'm making you as one who shines with my light. It's not by your own effort, but it is as you come into my presence and as you bring my presence into this world that you will shine. It is as you look to me that you become radiant with light. It is as you spend time with me that my light shines through you. For others will see something, others will recognize something within you that only I can do. Do not be afraid to shine with my light, to bring my hope to those who are in need. For I am the one who has called you and chosen you. I am the one who loves you. Don't be afraid to speak my words of healing and life to those around, to draw them close to me. For I am making you into a beacon of light, one who brings my presence, one who brings hope to those in need. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.